to 14th October, and the participants can avail membership discounts and get associated with material advantage at IIT Kanpur. So I think the moment has come. The team can also join in. I'm just about to unveil the membership challenge drive. The team can also join in and they can turn on the videos if they like. Shall I wait or shall I proceed? Zenul, Sekat, I cannot see you people. Okay.
I have turned on my video.
Okay, okay. So, okay, let's do it then. So welcome to Material Advantage at IIT Kanpur Fall Membership Challenge Drive 2020. And this is our official poster, which was already sent to you via mail as an invitation. And so I'll talk about it in detail. Okay. So you only need what is needed from your part is you only need to participate in the maximum number of events and win prizes, which include e-certificates and as well as gifts. We are sending e-gifts to everyone now. We have also improvised ourselves with this lockdown and we have switched to e-modes for everything. The second thing is that you will receive membership discounts for your participation and winning. This time there is a catch. The person who is going to attend maximum number of events will be eligible for a free membership. There will be a lucky draw where a lucky participant will be given a full free membership. Like no discount, it will be free from our side. And for that, you have to participate in maximum number of events, and we'll do this lucky draw on the last day. And in fact, we will invite you people who will be attending the maximum number of events, and we will do it there and there itself in front of you, so that it's all clear and there's no like it's authentic. So moving further, these are some events upcoming, the flyers of some of the events that are coming up, and the full list of events is displayed on your screen. You can see them. The dates are tentative, but the list of events is here in front of you. There are more of talks and a few competitions. So that since we know that many of you must be going on with your online classes, so that is why we have planned our membership drive in a way that you can at least attend and be a part of the events that are conducted, and not much of effort is needed from your end. All the effort and everything will be done on our end. You just need to attend and participate in the events. I think I'm done with, and thank you. If anyone has any questions, they can. Okay, so if anyone has any question to ask, they can just post in here or.
Ma'am, how do we pay the membership fee?
For membership fees, you require a credit card. We'll be doing it on your behalf. No need to worry. On the last day of this membership drive, we'll be contacting you. You just need to make a note of one thing, that we'll be floating a Google form. You just keep filling those forms for each and every event, and share your contact details with us, and we'll contact you for sure. And we will do this payment thing on your behalf.
Okay, thanks.
Sure. Any other question? Okay, so what about the renewal of the membership? So you can renew your membership here itself during the membership drive, but the fees is $15 itself. To reduce the fees, you need to participate and you can avail the discounts that are provided to people. Next question. The team can also say anything if they want to convey to the attendees. Are there any more questions?
Ma'am, do we get ASTM standards by joining this organization?
You can contact not ASTM. I think you are getting confused. ASM and ASTM. ASTM is something different. ASM is a different society.
Actually, on the website, it's written, you have useful links. In that useful links, you have ASTM mentioned there. So just got confused.
I don't think so. That
Maybe
glitch. I
it's a
think
little misleading.
okay. I think the website coordinator will check it, and you can coordinate with Swapnil, and he'll let you know about this thing. Zenul, can you clear this point right now?
I think there must be some technical glitch. We'll just sort it out.
Okay, sure. Zenul, can you just like open our website here itself and show it to them?
Sure. Could you share my screen? Could you give the
Sure.
permission to share?
Sure. I'll do that. Zenul, please try. Are you able to share? Okay.
Hello.
Yes, Zenul.
Yes, I have shared the screen.
Okay, so this is our newly updated website, and it is also being launched. I think it's the very first day that we are launching it officially. It came into action, I think, about a couple of days ago itself. So this is officially, this has been officially launched on this platform itself. Here you will be posted about all the events and everything. You can also join our official Material Advantage IIT Kanpur page, which is also given over here. You can join our page. You can also like our group. So we are very active on social media handles and always update our social media handles time to time. We also conducted this virtual award ceremony for the first time during lockdown. So these are some activities that we had conducted in the past few months. There is an upcoming talk on the inventions that were innovations that took place during COVID itself in IIT Kanpur, scheduled on 16th, and we have Dr. Jairam Kumar, Dr. Shikhar Jha, and Dr. Sandeep Patil, who will be speaking on some of their experiences, how they managed to do such great inventions even when they had this limited access to resources. So I would request all the attendees to please attend that talk, and your attendance can lead to membership discounts for you in future, like towards the end of our drive. So I'll just mention one thing, that this Material Advantage membership drive is all about attending the events. The more you attend, more are the chances to avail even a full membership. Okay, Zenul, I think, so are there any more questions?
Could you just brief them about the Facebook page also? Means we have a active Facebook page also.
So you can see this is our Facebook group, Material Advantage, at IIT Kanpur. So you can like this group, and this is our page. So I think as you can see, it's been 3 years that like we are regularly updating things on our social media handle. So be in touch with us for anything in future.
Shall I stop sharing?
Yes, Zenul, you can stop sharing, and I'll.
Thank you.
So are there any more questions from anyone? Or if you guys want, then we have Shipra and Prince, who have availed various such benefits at a foreign conference. So we can ask them. Shipra, can you speak about your experience at TMS this time, TMS 2020?
Hello everyone. This year I went for TMS 2020, and my personal experience was that first of all we have got the travel grant of $500, and we were 4 people from IIT, so it got divided among us. Then other thing, that there we met profs from various universities and got the chance to interact with them and get some better ideas that can be incorporated in our research work or for further studies. So overall it was good experience.
I must mention that being the members of Material Advantage, we nominated them to attend one of the competitions that was Materials Bowl competition. So they were able to attend that competition and be a part of it just because they were members. So I want to highlight that being a member of Material Advantage can also help you in various other like attending various other sessions, monitor sessions, and various other competitions that are organized from time to time by Material Advantage student program officially. You will get access to their e-media. You will frequently be updated through emails, through personal emails. Like they'll send you personal emails about various competitions regarding there are various talks, courses, coursework, and various other things that are floated. I personally attended a competition, I personally attended a talk on how to improvise your presentation skills. So it is not only related to research, it is about your overall development at a professional level. Like what opportunities are there after your BTech, your MTech, or PhD as well. You can contact the professors, like the member professors, and introduce yourself as being a member of Material Advantage, and you can start talking with them. So you can do those things. Even a BTech student can go for such conferences abroad. This time things are getting more in virtual mode this year, but at least you are getting a chance to attend those conferences. The travel expenses and other things will be cut down, but the registration fees, which in itself is so much, will be reduced to a much lower price. So those are some of the benefits that you can avail at any time being a member of Material Advantage. There are various other conferences that are conducted by its partner organizations, not only MSNT, not only TMS. There are many other conferences that are organized by the partner societies. And especially the UG people, they can also attend, like there are various internship programs, various job opportunities which are there. The only drawback that is there is people overlook the emails that are sent to them. So I'll just suggest that once you become a member, please regularly check your emails so that you are not missing on any opportunity. By the time we are also, like, whenever we come across any email and we find it that it can be helpful to our members, we post it on our WhatsApp group. We also have a WhatsApp group for our members only, and we post it there itself. So you can avail those things from there. But it's like Material Advantage is in itself an experience, a very good professional experience. You develop yourself into, like, you develop an all new skill set by just being a member to Material Advantage. So I hope to see you all in large number in our future events. And I think I have spoken a lot about it. If anyone else has any questions, they can ask. They can ask over here. They can type in, or okay, so we don't have any questions in the chat box as well. So if you have any question, you can ask. Otherwise, we'll call it an end over here and see you in future events that are conducted over the month. Zainul, do you want to say anything? Rubia?
No, not from my side.
Okay. Like, I think Sir has laid emphasis on all the points, all the aspects very well, and the other things were covered by me. Still, if you have any questions, you can you can write it on our Facebook, like message us on Facebook. You can mail it to us at materialadvantage.itk@gmail.com, or even you can contact us if you have, like, if you want, we can share our contact details with you as well. If you want to be a member, you can mail us, and then we can share our contact details so that you can approach us anytime for any sort of help regarding that. Okay, so I think it's done. I'll call an end to the meeting. Thank you for joining in, everyone. Thank you so much.